Welcome back to Prognosis. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage and take action on denied charges on the remittance screen. Denials are posted in Prognosis with denied status at the charge level. By default, when the insurance carrier denies a claim, the balance is kept in the same bucket and does not move to the next entity unless the user explicitly takes action. To begin, navigate to the Remittance menu. Click on EOB/ERA and select Receipts. This will open the Receipt Search pop-up. Search for the appropriate receipt that is currently in entered status. Once the receipt opens, locate the desired claim and click on the Expand accordion icon next to the claim row to view the detailed charge lines. While posting an ERA or manual payment on the remittance screen, you may notice that certain charge codes show a status as denied. To take action, locate the denied charge under the patient claim. Click on the action icon in the Status plus Action column. This will open the Denied Charge Code Actions pop-up. In this pop-up, you will see the denied reason at the top. Click to choose the reason. For example, additional payment for dental or vision service utilization. This information typically comes from the ERA or payer response. You can also search and select the appropriate denial reason if needed. If you are planning to appeal the denial, you can enter the appeal reason in the provided text box, or select one using the appeal reason search. This is useful for documentation and tracking AR follow-ups. Under the Action section, you will see multiple options. Select No Action if no immediate follow-up is required. Choose Write Off when the denial is contractual or non-payable. Please note, action reason is mandatory for write-off. Select an action reason before saving. For example, write-off reason 1. Use Charge Next Responsible option to transfer the balance to the next payer or to patient responsibility. This is commonly used when the primary insurance denies, the claim and the balance needs to move to the secondary insurance, or when the secondary denies and the balance must be transferred to the patient's responsibility. Select Rebill creating a new claim if a corrected claim needs to be generated as a new submission. Use Reopen Claim for resend when you want to reopen the existing claim and resend it after corrections. Resend without reopen allows resubmission without reopening the claim. Use Insurance Agreed to Pay if payer has verbally agreed to reprocess the claim. Mark Resolved when the issue has already been handled outside the system. Select WIP, Work in Progress, when the denial is under review and requires follow-up. The Action Reason drop-down gets enabled when any option other than No Action is selected. Select the reason for the action being taken. Check the box for Copy Action to other denied rows to apply the same action to all denied charge lines. Enter notes for billing or patient statement reference in the Statement Comments field. Any comment added in this field will appear on patient statements. After selecting the appropriate action, click OK. The Denied Charge Code Actions pop-up closes. Now, select Ready to Post box and click Save on the remittance screen. The status will update accordingly, and the balance will reflect the selected action. If you then go and click on the action icon, the fields on the Denied Charge Code Actions pop-up are disabled, and last action date is displayed, along with Reverse Write-Off Action checkbox. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to the Prognosis support team at support@bismaticsinc.com.